We're going to install some hose protection on the tractor today. But right now we're going to go ahead and do the front loader. And what we're going to be using is this, what is it, Safe Plast NA. I'm really doing this for the abrasion protection. The way I use my tractor, the hoses get rubbed on and banged on and they just get beat up. So we're going to go ahead and install this stuff. I find that it's easier to start the stuff in the middle. That way you're not fighting the big long run. If your hose is nice and straight, you can move this stuff around once it's installed a little bit. If it's bent like this, it makes it pretty difficult to do that though. So that's why I started in the middle and I work my way around. That's pretty much all there is to it, right? You can see that I have gaps in mine. I don't like wrapping this stuff super tight together because I'm going for abrasion resistance, so having a little gap with this spiral pattern, it really doesn't wear the hose. It does protect it really well this way. So save myself a little bit of hose wrap and a little effort installing it, and it works out really well. I'm going to get a zip tie here and zip tie this back to the cylinder. In this area here, where I've got two bigger, larger hoses that I want to actually wrap together, this is where I'm going to use the 1/2 inch stuff. I'm going to start the wrap maybe 6 inches up right in here, and I'm going to wrap these two hoses together all the way up to right about up in here. These are high wear areas for my tractor, right? This area, these hoses move constantly up and down, and it's quite a distance. So we're going to go ahead and put on the 3/8 stuff. Or excuse me, the 1/2 inch stuff, and wrap these together, which takes quite a bit more of the wrap to make that work because you're stretching it twice the distance. So I always try to get a little bit extra. So this is about 2 feet of hose. I'm going to get about 4 feet of wrap. So this is the stabilizer cylinder for my backhoe, and it's got the abrasion protection up inside of here, but I'm going to go ahead and cover this section up because I end up stepping on this, unfortunately, quite a bit when I'm working on this tractor. So we'll just kind of lay this one out, trim it out. When they're easy to get to like this one, it goes really fast when there's nothing in the way. There we go, just like that. So this is going to wrap up the video for the hydraulic hose protector. We got this stuff installed on the hydraulic hoses here, back there, this side, and then along down in this area also. So we got these ones installed, and then this hose back in here. This goes to the grapple bucket, goes to the quick couplers on the front of the tractor. That's going to really protect those hoses. They have a tendency to wear fairly heavily due to where they're positioned at. My own fault. I'm the one who installed them. Also got the protection installed on the backhoe arms. So this guy here on both sides. Overall, really happy with how it turned out. I'm glad I took the time to do it. Well, I highly recommend this stuff. So you guys saw me install this stuff. It's really straightforward. It's relatively inexpensive for the protection you're going to get. This will save, so one box of this, which would do almost my entire tractor, costs less than replacing one hydraulic hose. In any case, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hope you got something out of this one. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That always helps me out in the long run. Check out the tractor series of videos, the garage build. And until the next time, thanks for watching.